Florence doesn't close early for anyone, so at Palazzo Vecchio, Pino and Mauro work around the tourists.
Non per le sue cose.
Anni in mezzo per la birra.
Sì, accanto ai buffet praticamente. Poi dopo ci decide, noi piazziamo il buffet. Prima di vedere, abbiamo uno dei tavoli che stiamo facendo tanto lontani.
2,5. Spera, io lo farei un pochino più, si fa un po' più staccato. Che prima era previsto un bancone proprio da birra. Però un po' più staccato, un po' più qua. Con 3 cubi trasparenti. Invece su questo libro hai un più.
Bisogna stare attenti a tutto.
We're in the Palazzo Vecchio. First of all, we need to think about all our guests because it's important to be careful, to take care of how the Palazzo Vecchio works and to be sure that our guests don't get hurt.
The crew splits in two. One takes the hall and one the kitchen.
Questo, come vedete, sono il nostro punto, la nostra cucina, dove verrà fatto.
This is our kitchen.
Cose importanti curiamo.
We cover everything because it's important to take care of the places where we work. As you can see, we've covered the floor to protect it because we cook with oil and stuff like that. Now, there's still some things missing here. We've set up the tables, they'll be covered with wax tarpaulins so that we can work and the chefs can follow the rules. So that everything is clean, and that's all. We'll bring 2 ovens in for cooking hot finger food.
Apro questo oppure continuo?
Sì, sì, apri, dai, scendo al basso io.
Perché l'avevi messo così? Laggiù va.
Ragazzi, secondo me questi qui.
Deve entrare 5 cartoni per caso. Capito Lino? Ci vuole 4 passi. Un 10 cartoni per tipo.
The food arrives in bulk containers.
The other thing is the quantity, which is quite a lot. All these things here have to be placed on a tray. Finger food garnishes are already in the oven trays, so that we can send them out hot.
With just 60 minutes to opening, a quick change sees the construction crew turn into waiters.
Siamo un team che lavoriamo
We work from morning to late afternoon to make all the things you see here. One kitchen. The kitchen is not large, but with so many people it becomes small to do all these delicacies.
Just enough time for a quick snack. Then it's all hands on deck.
Avete già visto prosecco, vino bianco, un sauvignon, vino rosso, succo d'arancia rossa e succo tropicale. L'acqua e il caffè. Ai ring della Ninna ci sono Claudio, Gledio, Zedda, Doran e Francesco Tarsitano.
Tonight Simone is manning the fort. Guests begin to arrive.
Logistics are important. In terms of logistics, I can say that this evening we're expecting 600 to 700 people. And so it's really important to work out the way people will move around. So, for example, the locations of the drink stations, so that one station doesn't get too crowded. So as you can see, there's a station on this side and another on the opposite side. And this is set up so the guests can walk around it and there won't be a traffic jam. It all happens very fast, very fast.
But instead of starting at the drinks tables, everyone heads straight to the buffet, leaving some of the team twiddling their thumbs. This buffet hits the mark. Event number 1 is a success, but the most challenging of all is still 3 days away. Tuesday morning. All eyes are on the next event. Tomorrow, a 600-year-old Italian palace becomes a fashion arena.
It's very simple to explain how stressful it is. You see, we have to read all the menus, and we have 12 or 13 every day. We have to submit orders to our suppliers for each one. All the production lists that you see pinned up there for the work we do here. Each team assigned to a service, because each service has a different team. We're here day and night. Let's say the guys get here in the morning at around 7, and I send them home at 8 in the evening. You see, sometimes they haven't finished by that time. It's a long day.
After just a few hours sleep, Pino is busy at another venue. But this time, he's running slow.
Here it is important to coordinate the kitchen, because here at the Fortezza di Basso we have various stands. As you can see, they are not very large. Therefore, our space, the space for catering, is really small.
Small or not, service counts.
Chicken salad. Chicken salad.
Ciao, buongiorno. Buongiorno. Questi sono I sandwich.
These are the sandwiches for this afternoon's
Li
cocktail.
hanno appena imbustati.
They just wrapped and labeled them Tommy Blower cocktail.
Queste sono delle perle briochate. Prepari sandwich?
No, sto preparando una roba per i crostini d'oro e cromo.
Buongiorno, chef.
The first of tonight's events, a cocktail party at the Tommy Hilfiger store. It's not just preparation that goes on around the clock. Someone is doing the cleanup. And cleanup goes beyond the dishes. There's an in-house laundry for all those uniforms and table linens. The company storerooms are like an Aladdin's cave.
Qui c'è una parte di magazzinaggio bicchieri.
This part of the storeroom here has all the glasses. Glasses and thermally insulated ice boxes, white boxes for the food, and then accessories, some ovens, baskets, vases for special decorative ensembles.
Outside, the team loads up for the second of the night's events. An elaborate party for fashion designer Peter Palotto at the Palazzo Borghese. The event starts at 9 p.m, but when you're navigating the Florence traffic, it's wise to leave early. It's men's fashion week, but this designer is sneaking in his female collection. It's a clash of modernity and tradition, a theme running through the entire evening. Timing is the challenge tonight. Once the doors open, guests are offered a selection of savoury treats in the ballroom before moving on to the fashion show. That gives the team just 10 minutes to switch the savoury for the sweet. At least, that's the plan.